This is the LobbyGuard kiosk, and the kiosk is a single enclosure for multiple devices to make visitors sign in very fast and easy. One of the nice features of the LobbyGuard kiosk is how simple it is to contact technical support if the customer has a question or an issue. And to do that, all the customer has to do is press the top right-hand corner of the screen, and the kiosk will ask for the administrator password. Enter the password, press OK, and you gain access to the kiosk control panel. A couple of options here, but the most important one is on the left-hand side, Request Remote Assistance. The customer can press that button, and the kiosk will immediately be available to a LobbyGuard support technician to provide answers and any kind of resolution to questions that they may have. This is the LobbyGuard kiosk software. What we're going to see is what a typical visitor will experience when they're signing in and signing out of a LobbyGuard kiosk. And what you're looking at right now is what we call the welcome screen. This is the first screen that a visitor is going to see when they walk up to the kiosk. You'll notice on the left-hand side of the screen we have the LobbyGuard logo with a message that says, "Please sign in here." This area of the screen is available for the customer to use to place their logo, any kind of welcome message that they wish, any multimedia message that they wish about their facility or their school, so that it blends in better to their environment. On the right-hand side, you'll notice I have two buttons. One labeled "Press here to begin" in English, and a second one labeled "Press here to begin" in Spanish. LobbyGuard does support both English and Spanish, and these languages can be turned on or off depending on the environment needs that you may have. Today what I'm going to do is sign in as a typical visitor might sign in, and you'll see how the visitor workflow proceeds. Press here to begin in English.
Are you signing in or signing out?
And I'm signing in. And these are what are known as visitor types. I've got a couple of options here. It's asking me to select the option that best describes me. I have visitor, parent, student, volunteer. These are entirely created by the client. They're customizable. You can use whichever ones you want. You can create brand new ones. You can have as many as you want to fit the needs of the environment. I'm going to choose visitor.
Align your face in the square below.
And now it's asking for my photograph.
Press the Take Photo button.
I'll line up my face with the camera. Press Take Photo.
Insert your driver's license into the scanner as shown below.
The next screen in the workflow is asking me for a license scan. Now I should point out that the workflow we're seeing here can be customized. You can turn questions on or off depending on the information you want to gather about a person when they're signing into the kiosk. There's an instructional video that instructs the visitor how to insert their license into the scanner. I'm going to insert my driver's license.
Scanning the driver's license.
Slight bit of pressure, release, and it pulls it right through for you. Falls to the bottom. It's asking to verify the name from the license. I'll say yes.
Is your birth date correct in the square below?
It's asking to verify the birth date because we're doing background checking. So once again, I'll say yes. And here it's asking for the purpose of my visit. And I'm given a menu of choices that once again can be customized to meet the needs of my environment. What you're looking at here are the kinds of choices you might see in a typical school environment. Teacher conference, visiting teacher, dropping off student, and things of that nature. These can all be changed. You can have as many as you wish to give the visitors a choice for why it is they're visiting your building today. I'm going to choose visiting principal.
Thank you. You are now signed in.
And at that point, my workflow is complete. I'm going to get a visitor badge in just a moment. You can see that printing. And I also have an opportunity to register myself with the kiosk. And this means I can take a key tag, like the one shown here, and scan it under the barcode scanner. And I'm told that I'm now registered with this kiosk, which means I can come back with this key tag in the future and sign myself in much faster by just scanning my key tag. I won't need to go through the entire workflow because it will already know who I am. It will already have my license scan on file. It's a very helpful thing if you're a frequent user of the LobbyGuard kiosk. The visitor badge I printed has our photograph, our name, the time and day of signing in, the LobbyGuard logo in the bottom right-hand corner, pre-printed in color, and in the bottom left-hand corner we have our barcode, which we'll be using for signing out. Now these badges are peel and stick. I just peel it off like that, and it sticks right to my clothing. This badge is an indicator to employees in the building that I signed in using the LobbyGuard kiosk and went through the appropriate channels when I entered the building. When I'm ready to leave, signing out is very simple. I simply remove the badge, walk over to the kiosk, and again with our barcoded section of the visitor badge, I simply wave that area in front of the barcode scanner.
Thank you. You are now signed out.
And I'm signed out. That's a typical visitor sign-in experience. Again, it can be customized to the environment needs, but that's what you'll typically see in a LobbyGuard kiosk.